This is a Nokia phone backup. It contains contacts and messages from the old Nokia PC Suite era. You need the NBU Explorer tool to extract your old texts. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's retrieve your messages. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn NBU files, you need a software that can work outside the box, a true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. The NBU is an optimized structure designed for the specific needs of backup file programs. This file utilizes the specific encoding mandated by Nokia Backup File. An NBU file is a backup file created by Nokia PC Suite or Nokia Suite software. It contains a comprehensive backup of data from a Nokia mobile phone, including contacts, messages, calendar entries, photos, videos, and settings. NBU files are used to restore data to a Nokia phone or to transfer data between devices. NBU files are proprietary archives created by Nokia's backup software. The format stores data in a structured manner, allowing for selective or complete restoration of the backed up information. The file structure is designed to be compatible with Nokia's PC Suite and Nokia Suite software, ensuring seamless data transfer and restoration processes. The guiding principle for opening NBU is to use Nokia PC Suite from Nokia. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows can't interpret backup metadata or structure, so specialized restore software must open it. To force the file open, right-click your NBU file and select Open With. If Nokia PC Suite is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If you still can't open the NBU file, it's okay. The problem with this NBU file isn't complicated, it's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, use Nokia PC Suite. Open the file using Nokia PC Suite or Nokia OV Suite, as this is the required application for restoring the backup. Next, check version. Ensure your Nokia Suite version is compatible with the version that created the backup. Finally, use NBU Converter. Use a third-party NBU Converter tool to extract contents, like contacts and messages, to universal formats, like CSV or VCF. When no common method works, the file's resistance requires a tool engineered for maximum compatibility with unusual formats. It's your best option. You need the power of file magic. It's the only tool I know that can instantly show the contents of a problematic NBU file, even if the extension has been wrongly renamed. Get it now at filemagic.com. That was the most time-saving solution. Feel free to leave any follow-up questions you may have below, and then hit the subscribe button for future access.